Most legacy companies fold when they hit a massive market shift. They lack agility to survive. But one manufacturer used two entirely distinct financial crises to develop a specific strategy for outlasting corporate upheaval. The first threat arrived in the early 90s. Fuel prices soared across the Indian market, while a sudden flood of imported vehicles gave consumers endless new options. Legacy automobile factories simply shut down, triggering widespread mass layoffs. Ajay Sharma, a production engineer at a failing plant, found himself out of a job. So he and 10 of his colleagues rented an abandoned garage, salvaged a portion of unused equipment from their shut-down factory, and started their own operation. Operating with almost zero capital acted as a severe operational filter. The team had no resources to chase high sales volumes or luxury aesthetics. They were forced to pivot entirely towards solving narrow, highly specific market pain points that the massive foreign brands were ignoring. Their solution was a commercial model called the Alex One. It was completely utilitarian, engineered specifically to survive the harsh local realities of seasonal floods, extreme heat waves, and heavily damaged infrastructure. Looking at this exploded view diagram of the chassis, you can see their exact priorities. All engineering efforts went into extreme fuel efficiency and a modular cargo bed that could be easily adjusted by the owner. This captured the gritty reality of their operation, building the boxy utility trucks by hand in a cramped space. It also highlights Ajay's core management rule. Every single decision began right there on the factory floor, never in a boardroom. The production engineers held the actual decision-making power. They backed this up with a highly specific incentive structure. Mechanics were actively pushed to submit design tweaks as they worked, and if a suggestion improved the build, that mechanic received a direct financial reward. By pushing authority down to the lowest tier of workers, Alex Motors established a hyper-responsive, self-correcting feedback loop. This allowed them to iterate rapidly, transforming a garage operation into a viable, growing manufacturer that could compete on the national stage. Fast forward a few decades, and the market shifted again. A younger demographic emerged, demanding high connectivity, advanced electronic safety systems, and clean energy alternatives. Alex Motors completely missed the shift. Their utilitarian focus meant they lagged heavily on modern technology. Flashy foreign brands easily swept the market, driving down sales and earning Alex Motors the label of an outdated relic. Ajay was now the CEO, and he faced a definitive choice. He could either sell the declining company off for parts or attempt a total ground-up reinvention of the brand.